And there's nothing worse than having a deal halfway done, something happens and you don't know what to do and you freak out and you think the deal's gonna fall apart. Hey, just get a hold of us. Let us help you make a decision on how to get that deal pushed to the finish line. Now, what I've done is I've created a private Facebook group to help people that are mostly getting started. The hardest part about real estate investing is getting momentum. You know, there's no such thing as somebody that's only done one real estate deal. All it takes is you get the first one and it kind of clicks in your mind and then you take off from there. Now, of course, there's always going to be learning, there's always going to be growing, and there's always going to be trying to get to the next level. So my goal in creating the private Facebook group is to be able to give you a chance to interact with other like-minded real estate investors. You know, one of the biggest challenges that you go through when you first start the journey of real estate investing is you feel like you're alone. You know, a lot of the friends that you are hanging out with, or potentially even family, they just don't understand what you're going to go through, and it's very difficult to have conversations with them. You're speaking a whole different language. You're headed down a journey of financial freedom, and they're still on a journey of having a job and a 9-to-5. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that it's a different language. I remember when I first got started in real estate, I just didn't have anybody to talk to. This Facebook group bridges that gap. Also, there's a ton of things to learn. There's a lot of moving parts in real estate investing. Now, I've done over 4,000 real estate deals and I still learn new stuff all the time. Now, granted, it's very easy for us now. I don't even go into the office anymore. You know, we do 20 to 30 deals a month. In fact, last week we just put 13 new houses under contract, and I'm not part of any of that. My company runs on its own, and that's been through years of not only plugging into people's time as leverage, but a lot of virtual assistants run my company, and a lot of systems and automation. I want to help you guys get to that level as well. This private Facebook group is there to help you along the journey. If you're looking for somebody to hold your hand through deals, this is the place to be. So me and my team are involved in this private Facebook group. You'll get to know us. You can tag us when you need help with something, and we're going to help you respond. This is next level education. Nobody on my team is a beginner. We've all done, you know, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and thousands of deals. Now you're going to be interacting with other people that are part of the whole group that are brand new. They are, you know, some of these guys have not done a deal yet, and that's okay. And that's why we're here. We're here to help you learn and get that first deal done and then take it from there. And just networking with others. So, you know, we just want to make the whole process easier, and there's no cheaper way to really do that. The cost of joining the monthly group is $97, and I'm telling you, I put it together because that's the cheapest way that I could create to still have some access to me and my team, and to put a whole bunch of really smart people into one room, basically. I hope that you take advantage of this private Facebook group. We all are working together collectively to achieve the same things, and we'd love to see you part of the group.